Assalamu alaikum and very welcome to your English lesson. Students, in this lesson we will do very interesting work, that is tenses. Student, in this lesson we will learn about the present progressive tense. As you know, in the previous videos I have told you the present simple present tense. Okay, the work that is usually done or our daily routine, we use that tense. But in present progressive tense, what present progressive tense tells us? Present progressive tense tells us what is happening now, means the actions that is going on in the present time. For example, I am making a video or I am speaking. This is my action that is happening now, but not all the time, just for the present time, the work that is going on. Okay, so again I repeat, this present tense, present progressive tense, tells us the action that is happening now, the action that is continuously doing. Okay, there's another name of this tense is present continuous tense, progressive tense and continuous tense. Okay, so this is the definition of this tense. Now let's move on the structure. Its structure for the affirmative sentence. Firstly, as you know that first of all we write the subject, the person who is doing the action, subject. Then we use helping verb, that help this verb is, am, are. These are the helping verb, okay, that we use in present progressive tense. Then we write the first form of verb, and additional we will write ing form with this. We write the ing form of verb, okay, and at the end of write the extra information, that is object on which thing that action is happening. Okay, so now I will tell you that with which subject we use is, am and are. Okay, with I, if the subject is I, you speak about yourself, I. Then we use am. I am, like I am speaking. I am speaking. This is a present action that is happening now. I am speaking. Okay, or I am writing. Write is an action, but and we write the, and we use ing form. Writing, write ing. The word become writing. Okay, and if the subject is he, she, or it, or a singular name. Or a singular name means a person name like Ali, Hamza, Hira, Sana. Then we use is. He is, she is, it is, or the name of any person. Then we also use is, and then ing form of verb. Okay, and if the verb, if the subject are we, they, or you, we use we are, they are, and you are. So student, keep it in mind, whenever you work on present progressive tense, you must use these helping verbs with the according to the given subject. Okay, now it's clear. Now I tell you that student, when we use this tense, we sometimes use this tense to describe a picture. For example, look at the picture that is on page number 51 of your textbook 3 class. Make question and answers about the astronauts in the picture. As you know, astronauts are the person who are doing their research on space and planets. So you have to make the questions like what is, and or he is. Then you make the answer, he is doing this, she is, or they are. As you see, there is some person, woman name, lady name is Afia, and what she is doing, she is looking through a telescope. As you see, she is, you make the sentence from here. What is Afia doing? What is Afia doing? The question is this, what is Afia doing? And you can make the answer, she is looking through a telescope. The action is happening on this telescope now, so we write in the object form. Look is a verb and we add ing form here. Afia is looking through a telescope. Okay, what are Sam and Rihanna doing? Sam and Rihanna. What are Sam and Rihanna doing? Because they are plural, okay, so we use what are. What are Sam and Rihanna doing? They are going for a space walk. As you see, they are going outside. They are going for a space walk. Next, you can make the question according to Yasmin and Cheng. What are Yasmin and Cheng doing? They are, what they are doing? Are they working on computer or sleeping? Yes, they are sleeping. They are sleeping. So the next picture, as you see, there is a person that's his name is Umar. What he is doing? What is Umar doing? He is working on a computer. As you see, he's working on a computer. So mostly we use this tense to describe a picture, the actions that is happening in the picture. We also speak this, use this tense to tell about the object, to tell about the actions that are doing, that we doing now. Okay, so this is the tense. In this video, just I have told you affirmative, positive tenses. Okay, and in the next video I'll tell you also how we make the negative tense, negative form of sentence in this present progressive as well as interrogative. We also do this interrogative, as you see that we make the questions here, but I will also explain in the next video further. Okay students, Allah Hafiz. Before going, I just tell you that you have to make question answers according to this picture. So this is your written task. Okay student.